Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. That green open to work frame is fantastic when you are job searching, but once you land that new role, you want it gone fast. Here's the quick step-by-step guide to removing that frame right now on your phone. First, open your LinkedIn mobile application. In the top left corner, tap your profile picture. In the menu that appears, tap View Profile. On your main profile page, look at your profile card. Tap the pencil icon next to your photo and find the section labeled Open to Work. This time, look for and tap the button that says Original. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm. The green frame should now be instantly gone from your profile picture. Please take note that if you only change the visibility from all LinkedIn numbers to recruiters only, the green frame will remain visible to recruiters, but it might still show the green frame to you.